How to create a website on WordPress. Why choose WordPress to build your website? If you have been putting off the discussion to set up a website for your small business because you assume it will be complicated or time consuming, don't worry. Creating a personal website or an e-commerce site is remarkably easy to set up on a WordPress content managed platforms. CMS. In fact, most people can go from start to finish in about 30 minutes without any advanced tech skills or special training. WordPress is the perfect drag and drop website builder. Here is a brief overview of the steps to take to get your WordPress website started. Pick a domain name, choose a hosting provider package, install WordPress and choose your theme, learn WordPress dashboard and pick your WordPress plugins, customize website. You have decided to create a website and want to use WordPress as your website platform. Now what? Here's how to create a WordPress website in 5 quick steps. Step 1. Getting starting and choosing a domain name. Before you can begin building your website, choosing your domain name is one of the most important parts, as this is how your audience will find you and identify with your brand. Your domain name is what people type into their browser to get your website. Though it's tempting to choose something funny or flashy, pick a domain that both represent your brands and makes it easy for people to find you. For example, bobsmithwelding.com is better than boards bob.matterworld.com because searchers that are looking for Bob by name or one for the welding surface are more likely to find you. After you have picked your domain, you will need to buy your name and pick a hosting company that suits the needs of your website. Since you are building a website on WordPress, choosing a hosting provider that offers hosting specifically for WordPress sites is ideal. This way you can purchase your domain name and hosting service from the same provider. Luckily, Blueshoot offers both and he is recommended by WordPress. Step 2. Choose your package and set up your hosting account. Blueshoot offers a couple of hosting packages from our standard WordPress plans to our fully managed WordPress hosting plans. Once you have established your domain name, you will need to create an account for your hosting plan. Enter your personal information into each field and then scroll down to package list. Choose an option that fits your budget and service needs. Prices vary across hosting providers, but most offer add-ons like extra security features, tools to boost searching, ranking, and site backup. Check the appreciate boxes and scroll down to enter your billing information. Take a moment to read through the terms of service, cancellation policy, and privacy notices. Then click the box to confirm that you are agree with me with the policies. Follow the on-screen instruction to create a password and boom, you are ready for step 3, choosing your WordPress theme. If you have been step 3, choosing a WordPress theme. If you have been chosen Blueshoot as your web host, WordPress will be automatically installed for you. All you have to do is click login and choose a theme. If you are not sure with which theme you want, don't worry, you can go back and change it later. If you don't like the generic themes, you can upgrade to one of the premium themes. The next screen will ask if you are building your website for personal or business reasons. This will help us provide your accurate recommendations to help on your website building journey. Step 4. Learn your WordPress dashboard. Now that you are ready to start working, you should find yourself on the dashboard on the back end for your new website. This is the service area that allows you to control what your website visitors will see when they land on your pages. Spend some time learning the WordPress admin dashboard by reviewing features that you will use the most often. Step 5. Customize themes pages. Let the fun begin. You are ready to start fun tuning your sites with your color choices, font style, and special elements that will help you express your company, culture, or personality. You can write in and write your first post, but it's beneficial to get to know the features and functionality of your site first. On the left hand sidebar, you'll find navigation links that allow you to customize your site. The best way to get to know your way around is to click on each tab and explore the options. Browse the themes. There are paid and free options available. Customize your theme with colors, headers and social media buttons. Upload photos and inspire your site's visitor and add colors about your values and services. Create your first blog post and main page content. Add a content frame. Don't forget to set up Google Analytics in order to collect data on visitors. Come to your site and link Google Search Console to make sure there are no errors. These 5 steps will have you running a WordPress website for your small business in no time. Okay, about 30 minutes ready to get started. Get your domain name and self-hosted service package at Bluesheet today. Leave a moment. Enhanced security. Isolation from noisy neighbors gives high security of your WordPress CMS cloud hosting, super reliability, latest distributed storage and cloud technologies to ensure availability for WordPress cloud hosting. Improve uptime. Redundant WordPress CMS cloud hosting platform which tolerates the hardware failure. Excellent management. In-house development. Powerful control panel for easy management of your WordPress CMS cloud hosting. WordPress hosting plan. One-click upgrade or downgrade WordPress cloud hosting plans for your business. How are you looking for something else? How are some people's SaaS application for your business? They are all hosted and on our high performance cloud cluster. WordPress cloud hosting on Kubernetes clouds, fully and proactively managed multi-site support, 30-day of free trial. Managed WordPress hosting on Kubernetes clouds. Isolation from noisy neighbors gives high security for your WordPress CMS cloud hosting. Superior reliability. Latest distributed storage, CVH and cloud technologies to ensure high availability for WordPress cloud hosting. Radiant, a WordPress CMS cloud hosting platform which tolerates the hardware failure. In-house, develop powerful control planner for easy management of your WordPress CMS cloud hosting. One-click upgrade or downgrade WordPress cloud hosting plans to fit your business needs.